10 cancer-fighting foods you should eat regularly. Unfortunately, we still do not have a cure for cancer. All we can do today is prevent cancer. In today's video, we will share with you 10 cancer-fighting foods that you should eat regularly to prevent cancer from touching your life in the first place. Each year, medical advancements bring us closer to developing a cure for cancer. However, cancer prevention has long existed in nutrition and natural medicine. That's because certain foods have been proven to help you achieve optimum health and, consequently, equip your body for better protection from cancer. Here are 10 cancer-fighting foods you should eat regularly. 1. Apples. Apart from being filled with fiber, apples are rich in phytochemicals that have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The peels are especially beneficial, so try to go for organic and unwaxed apples so you can safely consume the skin. 2. Blueberries. In 2013, the Anti-Cancer Agents in Medical Chemistry published a study review that compiled all the evidence of the cancer-fighting properties of blueberries. The study notes that its benefits stem from its phenolic compounds, which provide remarkable antioxidant effects. 3. Cherries. Cherries are filled with anthocyanins and phytochemicals that offer impressive cancer-fighting properties. Although sweet cherries are abundant in these antioxidants, it is the tart variety that has more impressive anti-cancer effects. Cherry juice is effective as well. 4. Flax seeds. According to a 2018 study review published by the Frontiers in Nutrition, flax seeds have incredible cancer-fighting properties. It is especially effective in fighting breast cancer. Several studies have shown that its phenolic compounds have the potential to reduce breast cancer mortality by up to 70%. 5. Garlic. Garlic offers many health benefits, not the least of which is its ability to minimize inflammation in the body. It can do so because it is rich in a bioactive compound called allicin. Additionally, it is rich in saponins and flavonoids, which have all been recognized for their anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties. 6. Leafy Greens. According to research conducted by the American Institute for Cancer Research in cooperation with the World Cancer Research Fund International, there is strong evidence to suggest that leafy greens can fight free radicals within the body before they even have the chance to do any harm. Among the best options are dark leaves, including kale, spinach, and mustard greens. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lipocene, a potent antioxidant known especially for fighting prostate cancer. It is also rich in carotenoids that further make it an excellent food choice for preventing this awful disease. According to a study published by Prostate Cancer and Prostatic Diseases, tomatoes in raw, cooked, or processed form all have excellent cancer-fighting properties. 8. Walnuts. Although practically all nuts are beneficial in fighting cancer, several cancer authorities point to walnuts as the best option. Walnuts are rich in polyphenols, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients that work together to combat cancer. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains like millet, rolled oats, and brown rice contain multiple nutrients and compounds that work together to provide powerful cancer-fighting benefits. Among them are polyphenols, saponins, and phytic acid. They also have protease inhibitors which hinder the spread of cancer cells. 10. Winter squash. As opposed to summer squash varieties, winter squash, like buttercup and butternut squash, are excellent foods for preventing cancer because of their beta and alpha-carotene content. Winter squash has been proven to contain antioxidants that are especially beneficial to eye health. Researchers believe the same antioxidants offer the same benefits to the rest of the body. These 10 cancer-fighting foods are among those recommended by the American Institute for Cancer Research. While they all have different properties, each of them has been proven to protect against cancer and provide plenty of other nutritional benefits. The best part is, they're all common foods that are easy to include in your regular diet. Here are the study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.